Understanding Grid-Based Design, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a fascinating concept in design called grid-based design. Whether you're a budding designer, someone interested in graphic arts, or just curious about how things are organized visually, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and demystify grid-based design together. Grid-based design is a layout strategy used in various design fields like graphic design, web design, and even architecture. Imagine a grid, similar to what you see in a spreadsheet, laid over a design space. This grid consists of intersecting vertical and horizontal lines that create a series of squares or rectangles. Designers use these grids as a guideline to place elements like text, images, and other components in a harmonious, organized, and aesthetically pleasing manner. Grids bring a sense of order and consistency to a design. They help in achieving visual balance and alignment, which are crucial for creating designs that are easy on the eyes and simple to navigate. Whether it's a website, a magazine page, or a poster, using a grid helps ensure that all elements are proportionally spaced and logically connected. There are several types of grids used in design. 1. Manuscript grids, used mainly for extensive bodies of text, like in a book. 2. Column grids, common in newspapers and magazines, offering flexibility for text and images. 3. Modular grids, more complex, involving both columns and rows, useful for detailed layouts. 4. Hierarchical grids. These do not follow a uniform structure and are customized as per the content's hierarchy. When applying grid-based design, it's important to maintain consistency across your work. This includes consistently aligning elements to the grid and maintaining uniform gutters, spaces between grid cells. It's also vital to know when to break the grid for creative emphasis, but this should be done sparingly and thoughtfully. To better understand this concept, let's look at examples. Websites often use a column grid to organize content. Magazines utilize modular grids to place text and images in an appealing way. Even cities are sometimes planned on grid systems, demonstrating its use beyond just graphic design. Thank you for watching our video on grid-based design. We hope this has shed some light on how important and widespread this design technique is. Whether you're creating your own website, designing a poster, or just appreciating the layout of a book or magazine, remember the role of the humble grid in bringing order and beauty to the visual world. Until next time, keep exploring and happy designing.